Hi kids! Let's learn easy English sentences. Ready? Let's go! Don't say, give water. Say, can I have some water? Give water என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. Can I have some water என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும். Don't say, I want chocolate. Say, may I have a chocolate? I want chocolate என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. May I have a chocolate என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும். Don't say, put the light. Say, turn on the light.
Put the light என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. Turn on the light என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும். Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Don't say put the fan. Say turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Put the fan என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. Turn on the fan என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும். Turn on the fan. Don't say, tell him to come. Say, please call him. Tell him to come என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. Please call him என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும். Don't say, what is the time now? Say, what time is it? Let's practice together. What time is it? What is the time now? என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. What time is it? என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும். நினைவில் வைத்துக்கொள். What time is it?
Don't say, eat tablet. Say, take medicine. Eat tablet என்று சொல்லக்கூடாது. Take medicine என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும்.
Let's say again. Can I have some water? May I have a chocolate? Turn on the light. Turn on the fan. Please call him. Take the medicine. What time is it? Good job, kids! Practice daily and speak English confidently. Subscribe for more fun learning.